Interpret illustrations. Cells. Cells are the smallest units of living things. Some organisms, such as the bacterium shown here, are unicellular. They are made of only one cell. Other organisms, such as humans, are multicellular. Humans are made up of millions of cells, of which there are many different types. Mitosis. Cell theory is a scientific theory stating that the cell is the smallest unit of living things and that all cells come from other cells. New cells are produced through cell division. For most cells, mitosis is the process by which the cell nucleus divides and two daughter cells are formed. Before a cell divides, it goes through a period called interphase. During interphase, the cell grows and material in its nucleus replicates, or duplicates itself. After interphase, mitosis begins. The four major phases of mitosis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, are shown in the illustration. Animal cell structure. Animal cells contain the same basic organelles, or structures, for performing functions such as converting energy, digesting food, and packaging proteins. Mitochondria convert energy for life functions, lysosomes digest food, and the Golgi complex packages proteins. The nucleus contains genetic material that controls the functions of the cell. Meiosis. Through mitosis, a cell divides to form two daughter cells that are the same as the parent cell. Cells also divide through meiosis. As with mitosis, a cell's nucleus divides after genetic, or hereditary, material in the cell replicates. During meiosis, however, the two daughter cells divide, without duplicating their genetic material. The result is four cells called gametes. Egg and sperm cells are gametes. Gametes join during sexual reproduction to form a single cell having the same number of chromosomes the original cell had before meiosis. The illustration shows what happens to the genetic material in a cell nucleus before and during meiosis. Cell membrane. The cell membrane, which encloses the cell, is made of lipids and proteins. It allows only substances that dissolve in lipids to move freely into and out of the cell. Oxygen is an example of a lipid-soluble substance. Water and water-soluble substances, such as glucose, need proteins to help move them across the cell membrane. Photosynthesis. Plants use energy from sunlight to make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, a plant turns a gas from the air and water from the soil into glucose. Glucose is a simple sugar stored in the plant's tissues. Another gas is released during the process. Photosynthesis occurs in tiny structures called chloroplasts. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, a material that absorbs sunlight and is necessary for changing light energy into the chemical energy the plant stores in its roots. Cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process by which energy from food is released and made into energy that cells can use. Glucose is the main source of food for cells. During cellular respiration, glucose is turned into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP stored in cells is the energy source for many cellular processes. Cellular respiration may be aerobic, with oxygen, or anaerobic, without oxygen. Anaerobic respiration, sometimes called fermentation, produces less ATP than the citric acid cycle involved in aerobic respiration. However, anaerobic respiration is important in that it enables ATP to be produced and used.